New tonight, it turns out we may have to pay back a portion of that $400 refund we received from our auto insurance companies. The wrangling over Michigan's new auto no-fault insurance law is going to the top. Michigan's Supreme Court has decided to take up that case. Mara McDonald is live with a look at the issue. Mara.
Kimberly, here, after all is said and done, is what the central issue is. That new auto law that the legislature signed into law in 2019 caps what medical providers can charge those who are catastrophically injured. So the question the court has to determine is this: is it fair to cap what those who were catastrophically injured before 2019 were paying, or should they pay what everybody else does? Let me show you. The Michigan Catastrophic Claims Association putting out this bulletin. Everybody will be charged a minimum of $48 to a max of $122 per vehicle starting in July of next year because of an anticipated deficit.
For what, one time?
You'll remember this is the same fund that paid out checks of $400 to every Michigander this year who had auto insurance because of the change to the auto no-fault law.
The accountant didn't do the math correctly, and now we have to pay it back because of their mistakes.
Turns out one of the biggest changes in that new auto no-fault law is headed to the Michigan Supreme Court for a final say. The new insurance law puts caps on what medical providers can charge, which put those like Shalise Wilson's brother Clarence in a bad situation. He was catastrophically injured in 2008. The new fee schedule put his current provider out of business.
Sometimes, you talk to people and they just don't get it because they're not living it.
Patients sued, and the Michigan Court of Appeals said those fee caps, they shouldn't be applied to those getting care prior to 2019 when the new law was passed. Now the insurance industry is suing and taking the issue to the Michigan Supreme Court. Back here live, the Supremes have said they're going to take it up next year, and the question becomes this: what if the Supreme Court affirms that lower court's decision, meaning that those people who were injured prior to 2019 shouldn't be subject to these caps? Does that mean we're going to be paying this back multiple times? Now? Unclear. We're live in Royal Oak tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Let's hope not. Okay. Mara, thanks.